Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how to unfriend all of your Facebook friends at once and try removing them all of them together. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So start by opening up Facebook application, and once you open up Facebook, so if you're looking to unfriend all button, Facebook does not offer us that feature yet. Mass unfriending generally requires a third-party browser extensions, but these come with significant privacy risks and are not recommended. So what you can do is you can try using the built-in tools for that. So for that, what we can do is once you are here, look out for the Facebook tab, go to the menu at the top, and from here, tap on the option of friends here. So go to your profile and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you may scroll down and in the section you'll be finding your friends. Tap on see all. And this is all of your friends here. So look out for the manage button here located in the find friends section. So tap on manage. And what you can do is here you can just go over and filter it out. So you can choose the option of list interacted with filter under the um list section, and all you gotta do is tap on this option called select multiple and select it all. After that is done, you just need to go ahead and tap on this unfriend button to complete the process. So this is one of the closest official method for removing multiple people at once, though it only works for inactive friends. So you can perform this action through your application. This is the one of the method where you can look out for no mutual friends, and from there also you can tap on select multiple and you can select all. After that, tap on unfriend and do so. Or you can even look out for this option called friends you unfollowed. After you select that, you just need to tap on select multiple and again select the people and tap on unfriend and go ahead and do so and complete the process. You can perform this action right here. Or what you can do is if you want to go ahead and unfriend specific people or cannot use the bulk tool, you can remove them one by one. So you can go to their profile, go to your friend's profile, and all you gotta do is look out for this friends option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can select this option of unfriend or unfollow if that is available, and that will unfriend that friend from your Facebook application. And that is it. Or the most extreme option is to delete your account entirely. That will, of course, remove all of your friends as well. So you can just go over and delete your profile and remove your friend entirely and create up a new one and add only the people that you prefer. So therefore, that is it, everybody. You can follow up these solutions for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.